Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series. Doctor's music. Let's go.
Hi everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. In today's recipe, we are making catfish pepper soup. As you can see, I have cleaned my catfish very well. To make this catfish a little bit filling, I'm going to be adding 1 tuber of yam. So over here, I have my red onion and the scotch bonnet pepper. I have crayfish, scent leaf, pepper soup spice, salt to taste, and my seasoning cube. I'm going to add in water in my pot. Just add the quantity of water you want for your pepper soup. So I'm going to go ahead right now to blend the onion and the scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be right back. I'm going to go in with my blended onion and the scotch bonnet pepper. Some crayfish, pepper soup spice, seasoning cube, and some salt to taste. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil. If you are new to our channel, you are highly welcome. Please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. To my old and returning subscribers, thank you all for always coming back to watch our videos. Thank you for your love and support. Now I am peeling the yam. So this is how I peel. I'm going to keep peeling it. After peeling, I will give it a nice wash. At this point, I'm going to add in the fish and the yam as well. Okay. Now I'm going to give it a quick stir and allow everything to cook. At this point, taste for salt and make sure that the salt is enough, and then cover it and allow it to cook. At this point, I'm going to add in the scent leaf and our Jimmy catfish pepper soup. This is good, guys. Look at that. So the catfish pepper soup is ready. So guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I don't take it for granted, okay? Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye guys.